Wind warning. Issued at Friday 8:38 p.m. January 17, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong northwest winds gusting between 90 and 100 kilometers per hour are expected or occurring tonight. Falling snow is also expected tonight. The combination of strong wind and snow may cause poor visibility in some areas due to blowing snow. Winds will weaken this morning. Hashtag. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. Motorists, especially in high-profile vehicles, may expect hazardous driving conditions on highways subject to strong crosswinds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to abstorm@ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using hashtag #ABStorm. Recommended action. Be prepared to adjust your driving with changing road conditions due to high winds.